Red blood cells are the foundation of transport around our body, as they carry the most valued substance, oxygen. Through arteries, veins, capillaries, the heart, the lungs, and much more, this is the journey of a red blood cell. A red blood cell is a biconcave shape with a large surface area to volume ratio. As opposed to a regular disc shape, the top and the bottom are pinched inwards. A red blood cell has no nucleus, to allow a maximum concentration of hemoglobin to be contained in each cell. The hemoglobin is used to bond with the oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin, which is transported to body cells and used in respiration. Arteries have thicker walls of muscle to pump blood under higher pressures. They contain a small lumen to do this. They also have a smooth lining for the blood to easily flow through them. All arteries transport blood away from the heart, and all arteries, apart from the pulmonary artery, contain oxygenated blood, needed for respiration. Veins have a thinner wall of muscle as they pump the blood under lower pressures. They contain a large lumen to do this, and also to allow for a low resistance pathway. Veins are the only vessel to contain valves, which prevent the backflow of blood, ensuring a one-way direction of travel. All veins transport blood towards the heart, and all veins apart from the pulmonary vein contain deoxygenated blood. Capillaries are one cell thick to allow for a very short diffusion distance. They form a network that are close to all body cells, since oxygen needs to diffuse into cells and carbon dioxide needs to diffuse out. The heart has 4 chambers, the left and right atrium and the left and right ventricle. The left ventricle has much thicker walls of muscle than the right ventricle because the left has to pump blood to the rest of the body, while the right merely has to pump blood to the lungs. The heart contains 2 valves to prevent the backflow of blood, and is referred to as a double circulatory system since blood flows through the heart twice each circuit. The journey of a red blood cell begins in the right atrium, as blood travels through the bicuspid valve into the right ventricle. It then goes to the lungs via the pulmonary artery, where the red blood cells will collect oxygen, forming oxygenated blood. The blood then travels through the pulmonary vein to the left atrium of the heart, through another valve to the left ventricle. The left ventricle then pumps the blood under high pressure through the aorta to the rest of the body. The oxygen in the red blood cells is used for respiration, so the blood then becomes deoxygenated. Finally, through veins, it flows through the vena cava to return back to the right atrium.